Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a windmill bounce. Now, a windmill obviously is going to be a real advantage if you already know a windmill. Not everybody likes a windmill, and the reason that not everyone likes a windmill is the ladies turn in the same way many times in a row. Bit of a disadvantage. Some people love that. Some people can cope with that quite well. Other people, it makes them feel a bit queasy, get dizzy, and it's because it's all the same direction. Now, if you know exactly what you're doing as a fella, you can set a windmill up by doing a couple of turns the other way before and a couple of turns the other way after. The windmill bounce kind of does that for you, because what you do is you do 3 rotations one way on the way out, 4 rotations the other way on the way back, and then a final rotation the first way at the end. So you get 4 each way, but you get it 3, 4, 1. So most people don't find it makes them feel ill. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And that's it. So let's break it down. Starts like a standard windmill. We go right to right, semicircle push, step back. Obviously you're ready to do a return, because this is effectively a move that replaces returns. Guys moving out of the way to the left. We're trying to get the lady to go round us, and we're trying to get the rotations in so the lady ends up coming back to where she was on the 4th one. So we sweep with the right. Right hand goes up to the right, bringing the lady forwards. Guys stepping in, turning left. We drop the right hand down behind the back, transfer into the left. We're trying to keep the lady coming around us as we bring the left up over the lady's head. Guys keep turning left. Dropping that hand down, guys, we transfer into the right. The right goes over the lady. Guys keep turning left. So now the lady is heading back to where she began. As you transfer into the left, this is where the bounce part comes in. So it changes from the normal windmill. As the hand starts to go up, guys, we follow it, step alongside the lady and block the hand. Feels a little bit like a neck break block, but from the other side. We pull back by shifting our weight back. And guys, what we're going to do now is we're going to take that left hand over to the left and up, so the lady's now turning to her right. And guys, we need to turn to our right as well. So it was left on the way out, right on the way back. Dropping that hand down, guys, behind the back, keep turning right, transfer into the right, we go right over the lady. Ladies are still going round, guys, keep turning right, transfer into the left, we go left over the lady, keep turning right, guys. Drop the hand down behind the back, transfer into the right, we go right over the lady. It's that final turn. You can now do the return in the right or in the left. I'm going to switch to the left because it has a nice kind of solid ending feel to it, and then it's just return. So there's the 1 in the first direction again and back. Okay, sit from the other side and we'll talk about numbers. So we go back on 1, sweep with the right, 2, transfer and sweep with the left, 3, transfer and sweep with the right, 4, drop, transfer and block, 5. Coming back, we go the other way over the lady, 6, right hand over the lady, 7, left hand over the lady, 8, final 1 in the right, 1, stepping back, 2, returning, 3 and back, 4. So let's do it to a count. Here we go. 5, a 6, a windmill bounce. We go a back, raise the right, raise the left, raise the right and block, raise the left, raise the right, raise the left, raise the right and face, return and back. And that is the whole thing. Hope you've enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell so you'll know every time a new video comes out, and there'll be a music recommendation on the end. And as always, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.